We start this hour with our ongoing coverage of the price of paradise, continuing to follow Florida's property insurance crisis and what it means for homeowners.
We told you Tuesday insurance companies are coming up with new requirements to try to get around that legislation that state lawmakers passed during their special session back in May. ABC Action News in-depth reporter Stassi Almos has been following this topic very closely now for months. She joined us live with an update. Good morning, Stassi.
Well, good morning. I actually just received more evidence of what these companies are doing to get around, some of that legislation. So in talking with agents, they tell me that companies aren't really being sneaky. They're just doing what they have to do to stay afloat and keep writing any sort of homeowners insurance here in the state. Basically, new laws out of May's special session prohibited companies from denying a homeowner insurance due to the age of their roof. If it's more than 15 years old, they have to let them get an inspection and waiver proving it has at least 5 more years on it. However, insurance agents tell me that now new requirements are coming down from several companies with things like a second layer of wind mitigation on a roof and limits on the age of an entire home. Now, just yesterday, Southern Oak sent a notice to agents stating that as of July 30th, they will only cover a home at a minimum of $250,000, and all homes must have been built in 2022. In other words, only brand new homes. Now, they are also closing new business in 10 counties here in Florida. However, none of them are in Tampa Bay. Here's what one agent tells me.
They just want to minimize their risk as much as possible, and they're trying to also do that by mitigating the risk of all of their current policyholders. So that's why we're getting a ton of non-renewals, and we're getting a lot of memos that people have to make some changes if they want to keep coverage.
Well, at least 5 companies have these types of age limits on homes now. They are at least still offering homeowners insurance. Aside from the 9 companies that have already gone into receivership, I'm actually standing outside of Bankers Insurance. They just announced this week that they are no longer going to be writing homeowners insurance here in Florida. They are pulling out of that industry as a whole so that they can keep writing commercial and flood insurance. Now, I know that this is a lot of information, but we are posting updates daily on our website, abcactionnews.com. Just click on the Price of Paradise tab. I'm Stassi Almos reporting live in St. Pete, ABC Action News.